Okay, so this is before I was even trying to begin the video. I don't know if you guys can hear it raining, but wait, it's not actually raining. It is full on hailing. Like, they are small, but it is legitimately ice hailing coming down from the sky. Bike's already filthy, trying to just even make it up here. This week has not gone to plan. It's been pouring all this week, and today was the first day that it was not supposed to rain. Kind of chilly out, but I don't know, it's hailing. I'm gonna basically fuel up and sit here until I can figure out what to do, because with the sky, I don't know, pretty dark still right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just winging it. Let's see what we can get. Okay, so I'm really trying to make this video happen for you guys. It's going to happen. I just have no idea what the actual quality of the content's going to be, because it's raining again. I'm at another gas station taking cover. So we're just going to chill here, hope that the rain calms down in a couple of minutes so we can carry on. Having the short fenders is catching up to me now because my backside is soaked, but we're gonna make it. This is the only day that I have to film, and I need to edit this later, so we're gonna make it happen. It's my son's birthday this weekend, and we have plans all weekend. It's gonna be super fun. Excited to spend the time with the family. Just enjoying my mediocre coffee at a beautiful spot now. Being sprinkled on. And yeah, this is not what I had planned for today. Just wanted to get out, chill, make it to a nice peaceful spot in Annapolis after going to Whole Foods, getting a better can of coffee. I'm trying to do some more vloggy type of videos like this because, I don't know, I want to build a relationship. Like, I'm going to be traveling and trying to get you guys to go out and explore. So I guess instead of having you guys sit like this, I'll turn around. But yeah, goal is to basically just get you guys to get out. Actively raining water drops, but no. Trying to get you to get out and explore and just find little treasure spots that you don't even know about in your local area. Gonna fly the drone for a little bit. It's beautiful down in Galesville, which is where I am. I'm starting to tag my location or the main location of each video down below. I don't know, trying to get you guys some new spots to go visit. So, gonna aim to take off through here and make it all around, fly all around Galesville, and maybe you guys want to come down here. So this has been exactly what I needed and exactly what I'm trying to get you guys to go and do. Super peaceful. Spent probably 30-40 minutes here thus far. Already feel so much less stressed than I did when I got here. Flew the drone around. Super cool to actually spend a little bit of time and actually get in the drone, probably the farthest I've ever flown it away from me, and it was just super cool. Obviously it was being as safe as possible. Yeah, was taking some pictures, almost fell down these rocks, luckily caught myself, and saw by far the biggest, I don't know, catfish, something out there. It was like light orange per se, and it was like, I don't know, maybe 1.5 feet, 2 foot long, but just jumping out of the water. Tried to grab the camera and take a video of it, and obviously didn't come back out, but I don't know. Clouds are dark. They've been kind of this way all day, but hopefully not get rained on and make it back home. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, we'll give them down below. If you guys have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.